Hi everyone, this is Manoj, your German coach. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn dative preposition. The last lessons we did accusative. In this one, we are going to do dative prepositions. Okay, so how dative prepositions work, how can we use that? Okay, so this is what we are going to learn. So, today we are going to talk about first two dative prepositions, right? Remember the acronym we have learned. It is SNAMBAG, Z, V. Seit, nach, außer, mit, bei, aus, gegenüber, zu, von. So we are going to talk about first two dative prepositions which are similar but usage is different. So these are the two prepositions we are going to talk about. Aus and von. We are going to see how actually aus and von used, how they work, why, in what cases we use aus, in what cases we use von, and so on and so forth. So let's start with the description. Aus and von both refers to from. They both means from. Right, so this is the unique part. So both the prepositions means from, but they are used in different contexts. For example, this from is refers to location, situations, but this is generally used for people. Let's say if I say I am coming out of the house. Okay, this house is also referred to, it also refers to out of. I am taking money from my father. I come from India. This is also from, this is from out of the house. So this is where we need aus and von. So this would mean ich komme aus dem Haus raus. Rauskommen is the verb to come out. Come out of the house. Ich komme aus Indien. That is to come from India. Ich nehme das Geld von meinem Vater. Ich nehme Geld von meinem Vater. Why it is meinem, that we have already discussed in our previous sessions, which are dative cases. Here we are only going to talk about von and aus, von and aus. Okay, let's try to do these things through few examples. Let's say we have this example. We have this exercise wherein we need to solve aus and von. Hier ist ein Brief Chicago. That is not a person. That is the place. It's a country. So we use aus Chicago. Vielleicht ist es mein Eltern. Eltern is not a place, is not a situation, that refers to the people. So ist es von meinen Eltern. Weißt du vielleicht, wie lange der Flug New York nach Kalifornien? So we have this combination, von and nach. We have this combination, von, nach, which is used from to. So how long the flight takes from New York to California, we use from. Not aus. Nein, aber frag Stefanie. Sie kommt aus den USA. Annette, wem ist dieses Buch? Wem is referring to a person. So it's going to be von wem ist dieses Buch? So this is exactly how we use aus and von, right? That's the only difference, right? When we have something to do with person, we use von. When we have something to do with situation or location, we use aus. Okay, it's very simple to differentiate. So in my next session, I'm going to talk about the difference between nak and su. In what cases nak can be used, in what cases su can be used, and mit and by. So these are the common prepositions, and all these prepositions follow dative case. Okay, so thank you very much for joining in. Let's wait for my next session. Thank you.